Welcome to Team 7's presentation on Let's Play. A demographic largely affected by lifestyle changes due to COVID has been our youth population. Already raised with iPads, iPhones, and social media from a young age, they have now spent prime development years at home and on screens. Let's Play is a program designed to improve specific factors of pre-adolescent mental health through specialized activities, group work, and overall resources. Let's Play will ultimately be an in-person environment where we can maximize comfort, interpersonal connections, and interesting activities. But for now, it's an online forum with interactive activities, contests, and access to information about our program.
Some of our key users would be children ages 10 to 12 years old and parents and guardians. Some of the needs and wants of children were that they lacked interest in school, they got bored, and they increased social media use, and of course, they just miss seeing people. Some of the parents and guardians' worries and needs were that they worried about their academic success, COVID-19 regulations, and their kids' social development.
One of the main complaints or concerns from our demo day was that the idea doesn't really differ from after-school clubs. These clubs were made prior to the pandemic and therefore are not safe to attend. Our methods for creating this fun day are superior to these public schools because we created them using CDC regulations as the foundation. All of this preparation is useless if the kids aren't into it, so we have a variety of ways to engage those with varying interests. Our goal is to improve the social health of the youth. Some of the potential effects of this idea can help double as a fun time in a mental space, a safe space, or a mental outlet for some. Utilizing different mental games and activities, physical or mental, we will challenge them to think creatively to solve complex problems. We hope that their relationships with friends will strengthen and new interactions will spark.
The subsystems that we originally wanted to test were the activities. We also wanted to ensure that we were making this a comfortable environment for them by providing flexible seating, regular groups, and more. We also know that we needed to focus a lot on our COVID-19 regulations, so we did a lot of initial testing to see what we could do with that.
Listed below are post-COVID activities the team came up with, and they specifically target focus/attention, interpersonal skills, and creative thinking in children.
For initial testing, we gather information by sending out the flyer and survey link to users.
Some of the main feedback that we got back from our initial testing and on demo day was that our flyer was not an effective way to present our information. It left people confused and with questions as to the main focus of our concept. We also needed really strict COVID regulations to ensure everybody is safe. We also needed a way for our users to interact with our product more directly so we could get better initial testing results. Our solution to this was to create an interim interactive website where they have links to COVID registrations, the online interactive activities, and anything else they need to know about our program.
Our refinements of the user's needs were based from results of our surveys and feedback from our demo day presentation. For the children, our idea needs to be an open and easily accessible idea. It must satisfy their current needs and interests, and it must first and foremost be engaging. An example from our website is an activity, the TikTok competition that asks for a skit revolving around going to space. For the parents, we had to anticipate and answer more questions, ensuring their safety wasn't enough, so explaining our methods is necessary. It needs to be an easily communicated plan with the guardians, and there is a screenshot of the top of our COVID page from our website.
And so for our current prototype, as mentioned above, some of our online activities would include Sudoku and Mancala, and that is represented right at the right.
The team planned that around mid-July, the program of Let's Play will be able to have an in-person environment with consistent teams and mentors. We'll be partnering with a nearby rec center school, and we'll be using a system to easily have parents sign their children up for specific days and times on the website.
Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed our presentation on Let's Play.